Y'all, we're gonna try sardines for the first time. These ones are in Louisiana hot sauce. I figured they might taste a little better. Ooh. They smell fishy. We'll try this little one. There's a reason why the reaction that everybody had when that trade went down on February 2nd, whatever day that was, where people are going to say in the sports world, do you remember what you were doing when Luka got traded to the Lakers? I remember what I was doing. I was live. It ain't too bad, kind of. And I was just about to finish tastes like some tuna. Like some tuna in hot sauce. Ain't got no seasoning on it though. Like, it's a mild fishy taste. Like, kind of like tuna. Not tuna like that fishy taste, a little mild like that. It is not as bad as I thought it was. Oh, she's scared. Oh. Okay. Let's be good with some crackers. A little snack. Look. I need this work. That's not bad, y'all. I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. I cannot believe I don't try it before. I seen somewhere that eating stuff you get thick and somehow it's spicy. Huh? Go get y'all some. I suggest the ones in hot sauce. I'm gonna have to try the ones that's like regular to see if I like them too. But help me get to 4K followers and I'll let you choose what I try next.